What's up, blue chips? 3 trades today, one on NTR, one on SLCA, and one on CNX. Let's get to it. All right, traders, before I show you the live trades, as you can tell, it's a little bit late, and I usually don't get my videos out this late, but it's been a hectic day. And I ended up red today, so it wasn't necessarily a priority to get this video done on time. I had no intentions of not putting the video out. Just the kids just nonstop this morning. One is teething, the other is just super needy since we put them in school. So yeah, let's get to the live trades. All right, so we got an order in here at 12:10, seeing if she'll get hit. Stalling out there. We're gonna cancel. We're gonna jump in here at 12:05. Let's see if she did exactly what she just did. I thought she was going to jump back up. Wasn't sure. If she wants to run up towards like 1240 area, we'll look to add there. As you can see, we're still managing this NTR trade as well. Looking for this thing to come back down towards VWAP. All right, quick little move up here. It's kind of stalling out. And we're going to add there. Jump down to 29. That's what we got. We'll look to add up over 50, but she came down nice. There we go. We'll be looking for this thing to get under 12. We've got an order in down here at 12:02 on SLCA. We might be getting stopped out up here on NTR. And we got stopped out on NTR and got filled on SLCA at the same time. We got 100 shares left here. We'll be looking to see if these want to continue down. All right, if this wants to make a move a little bit lower, this is all one move. Okay, here we go. We might just take it all. If she wants to jump back over 90 here, we're just going to take it. 92, okay, we're going to take it there. Yeah, because like you see, the odds are that was such a quick move down. She might not want to continue right away before bouncing, so we'll just take it there. Good trade. All right, just watching CNX here. We kind of had this up, and then she tried to squeeze back up there and kind of failed. As you can see, the topping tail there. A little bit slower. We're just kind of looking for something. All right, here we go. Looks like the bid was dropping down. We jump in here at 50. We're looking for this thing to get back down towards VWAP. We're only risking off high a day here, so we're risking 11 cents, looking to make like 30 cents. So pretty good trade here. Might go ahead and just put a range order in here. All right, we're through 40. Well, I was going to put a range order in. She's coming down quick. We might look to just take half here. See if we can get under 30. Doesn't seem to want to. We're going to take half there. And we'll look to set a range order here for the rest. And we'll just let it go. So pretty decent drop there. All right, so this thing's squeezing up on us. Our stops here at 740. Excuse me. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. Kids are getting me sick. All right, we got stopped out there. Just that kind of day. All right, traders. So as you can see, that was my trades on SLCA and CNX. Didn't do a live trade on NTR because, as you can see, everything was kind of spaced out. It was a slower trade. The volume wasn't that great. But I can just go over it real quick. You kind of saw the beginning. Got in looking for this thing to come back down after this big move up. She didn't really do it. She set a high as she was moving up. We got in a little bit early. And when she went over that high right here, we stopped out. So we stuck to our plan there. She came down, and when she came up, she kind of felt like she was stalling here for a double top. So we jumped back in, and then, of course, she jumped over that. And came back up, kind of felt like she was topping up again here over that $0.50. So we decided to add for the $0.50 to hold it down. And we ended up getting 2 good covers here. We had 200 shares. This was 100 and this was 50. So we had 50 left, and I should have just stopped out of the other 50. Instead, we were looking for this thing to double top again. So I added the 50 back on this first one, and then the second one was 100. Took those 100 off here. And when this came up, we decided to add back again, just because it was a quick move over high of day. We were looking for this thing to kind of do what it was doing over and over again, where it was kind of going high a day, getting rejected, high a day, getting rejected. And it kind of got rejected for a second there, but it decided to keep going. And so when she set a high here again. So when she set a high on this one, we decided to add again, took those shares off, and we kind of held the remaining shares, and we got rid of most of them here. We had, I believe, 100 shares because we had 300 at this point, back down to 200, back down to 100. And then right here, I decided to add 100, right, at 53.04. Yep. And then I immediately put a stop in if she went high of day, which was 53.08 at the time, or 54.08, sorry. So I put the stop in at 54.10, and sure enough, she hit it not that long after. She tried to break under 54, which would have been nice, but she didn't. And then she ended up going. It ended up being a good stop. She went up, and again, this thing was just so extended all day. I was looking for it to go in the lunch, maybe get like a nice little sell-off like it did up here. But we ended up getting back in one last time, 54.33 for 100 shares, and she broke all the way down to 54.20. We were really looking for this thing to kind of fall over and go under 54 again for a nice big win. But she decided to come back up, and when she got towards 54.30, I just said if she gets to 30 again, I'm just done with it. And of course she popped back up, and I was like, oh, okay, it was the right move. And then she started coming back down, got back down to 20 again, but then she used that as support. And as you can see, she never really got under that for the rest of the day. Just thing grinded, man. And I do this all the time with my grinders. ACHC. There's another one that was pretty recent too, but they all look just like this, and I fight them. I mean, I fought this one a lot better. In previous times, you'd see like an add, no cover, and then like I wouldn't stop out, and then like I would just add, and then I would get like a couple covers here, but my average is still crap at this point. And then it would just be like add again, and then like a crap cover. So at least you can see like all my greens are pretty much under my reds, except for, the first couple. So I just never got that drop, and I took advantage of when I did both times, and I just ended up coming out of it red. So we ended up with a red day today. Obviously this isn't right. I actually had already did the math over here. The commission's 24 times the 50 cents. It comes out to $12. If you add that to our negative 22.50 realized, it ends up being negative 34.50 on the day. So not that bad. If I can keep my red days to something like this, I'm, pretty happy about it. For the month, as you remember, we started back with 5,000. We had that KPTI crap go on, and that took us backwards a little bit. And since then we've actually been doing pretty good. If I bring up my little P&L curve here, that broke our little bit of a green streak too with that trade. But yeah, we're not doing too shabby. We're getting back up towards that break-even point overall since I started trading last August. But since that KPTI crap back here, we've been steadily going up. So can't really complain. It's going to suck when they take out the 150 for the account fees, but hopefully tomorrow will be a good day and we can end strong for the month, and then we'll start the month of August. So if you guys haven't already, like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. Questions and comments down below. And tomorrow's hump day. I'll see you then. Peace.